Topic 1, sample problems. Here we have 3 sample problems working on exponent. First problem is a word problem. How many times must you fold a piece of paper in half to create more than 500 layers? We can use a piece of paper as an example. So if you fold this paper once, and then what you have will have 2 layers. And if you fold this one again and you count the layers, you would have 1, 2, 3, and 4. If you fold this one more time and then you count this, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So fold one time, you have 2 layers. You fold twice, you have 4. 3 times, you have 8. So you can see that every time you fold, you multiply by 2. So you want to find out 2 to the exponent will be greater than 500. So that's how you do this. So you go on, you fold the m's time, and you have more than 500. So 2 to the power of m. So I hope the students can figure out what m is. Problem number 2. Use easy way to calculate 2 to the power of 16 multiply 5 to the power of 8. So this problem, we have talked about similar problems. If you multiply multiple numbers together, you want to find out how to have 2 multiply 5, which will give you 10, or 4 multiply 5, which will give you 20. So a lot of zeros can help you. So in this problem, we can basically break this number up. So we have 2 to the 16 multiply 5 to the 8th. 2 to the 16, we can break it up as 16 numbers of 12 multiplying together. We can say, okay, we have 8 of 2's multiplying together. Multiply another one, 5 of 8. So this is following the property that we have just shown in this form. So you have a total number, same base. You can break this total number up by 2 components. So in this case, we break 16 up into 8 of the 2's and another 8 of the 2's. So, and then we use another property that we just learned. We have different bases, but we have the same exponent. We can combine them together. So this is exponent to the 8th. If I have the first term and the second term together, we have the 2 bases multiplying together and multiply 2 to the 8th. So 2 multiply 5 is 10. This is 10 to the power of 8. Multiply 2 to the power of 8. So 2 to the power of 8, hope the student can remember in the future when they practice more and more. So that's basically you want to combine these numbers to give you 2 multiply 5, give you 10s. Problem number 3. What's the unit digit of 37 to the power of 13? What's the definition of a unit digit? Unit digit, for example, you have 2 to the power of 4. We all know that 2 to the power of 4 is 16. So the unit digit of this is 6. Again, if you have 2 to the power of 5, and then the total is 32, and then the unit digit in this case is 2. So therefore, the definition for unit digit is actually after you carry out all the operations and what is in the singles place. Okay, in this case, it asks you for 37 to the power of 13. Basically, to how to find out the AND answer for the singles place, basically we only have to multiply all the singles together to find out. In that case, we don't have to look at 30 to the power of 13. We only have to look at 7 to the power of 13. So if I have one 7 to the 1, so I have unit digit of 7. 7 to the 2, I have a unit digit of multiplying this by another 7, which is 49, so the unit digit is 9. If I have 7 to the power of 3, multiply this again by another 7, unit digit is 3. 7 to the power of 4, and then you have another 7 multiply 3, which is 21, unit digit is 1. 7 to the power of 5, you multiply this by a 7 again, so unit digit is 7. So then the pattern repeats. 7 to the power of 6, then again you multiply this by another 7, you give you unit digit of 9. So you have 7931 unit digit now in repeat. So this number wants you to find out if the power is 13, which means you have 7 to the 13, what you're going to get in the unit digit. So for lower grade students, you can basically count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So when you have the power of 13, you would have a unit digit of 7. For higher grade student, you have 13, then you divide it by 4, then this can be divided into 3 and remainder 1. Remainder 1, you come back to the first place, so that unit digit is 7.